Hey everybody, I'm looking at a part 2 of this video. So we have this video here, and if you haven't gotten a chance to see the part 1, this is part 2 of it, so go back and check that out. I did just find out the area, or not the area, but just the pieces. Right now I have to find out the area and the perimeter of all of this together. But right now all I did was just find out that triangle right there. So we're going to actually find this triangle now. We're just going to have to piece all of this together. So there's going to be a bunch of parts to this. So we have this triangle, which is this triangle right here. So we've got the 6.1, and then we have the hypotenuse, which is 7.1 there. So what we're going to do is we're going to find out this leg right here. So we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem to figure out that piece. So we're going to call that a squared, and then we're going to do 6.1 squared, because a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Our c squared is 7.1. So we're going to square that. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with finding out what 6.1 squared is. So that's 6.1 times 6.1. We are going to get 37.21. And then we're going to find out what 7 squared is. Again, 7 squared is just 7.1 times 7.1. And that is going to give us 50.41. So we're going to subtract on both sides what we have. This is 37.21. And so when we do that, we are going to subtract 50.41, and we're going to subtract 37.21 from that, and we're going to end up with a total of a squared equaling 13.2. We do want to get rid of the square value, so we are going to square root both sides. And when we do that, that eliminates the square right there, leaving me with a is equal to approximately, this is not going to be nice numbers, but we're going to do 633, and it's like an irrational number, so we're going to go with 0.63. So that means that this piece right here is about 3.63. So if that is 3.63, kind of helps us piece together the pieces, because this whole piece from here down was 12.7. So now I'm going to find out the rectangle's length and do that. So I'm going to take the 12.7 and I'm going to minus the 3.63 that we just found from this piece, which is going to give us this little piece right here. So I'm going to replace that. And I'm going to take the inches out for right now. And that means that this piece right here is roughly 9.07, which means if this is 9.07, then so is this. And then that helps me with further finding other pieces around here. So we're going to clean this up a little bit at a time, and I'm going to show you kind of all the pieces. So there's a triangle, a triangle, a triangle, a rectangle right here, and then a half a circle here. So in my other parts, I'm going to show you all of this kind of cleaned up together so you can see what the final product is. If you want more questions like this, you can find them on my YouTube channel, You Want Algebra. Check them out under the geometry section.